Who's excited? Who's excited for the wedding?
Happy wedding day. Next time I see you, you're gonna be wearing that dress.
Mrs. Pape.
Bad and bougie. Boom. Boom.
I might cry, I don't know.
And Mrs. Chris and Brittany Pape, everybody.
I know that I love you. Only stars above you.
You guys are so perfect and complete for each other, it kind of annoys me.
Now, Chris, can you please hold out your hand above hers? This is the last time you'll have the upper hand.
I truly thank you for making this.